In this video, I will show you how to fix WhatsApp storage full problem on WhatsApp. Solve this problem, you can follow the step. Open WhatsApp application. Tap on three dot line top right corner. Tap on setting. Scroll down. Tap on storage and data. Tap on manage storage. Then you can show review and delete item. Delete your large file, videos or photos. Delete WhatsApp file. Clear large file and free up your WhatsApp storage. Open your file manager. Tap on internal storage. Delete WhatsApp document, file, videos or photo. Solve this problem. Follow all of the steps how to fix WhatsApp storage full problem. If this video is helpful for you, please subscribe your channel and like this video.